24-hour statewide band called by JAC against mysterious death of a girl student in hostel room of Standard Roberts School hits normal life in Imphal Valley. All Manipur Students' Union warns of unceasing agitations until Standard Robert Higher Secondary School students' death mystery is solved. Joint Students Coordinating Committee says varied statements by teachers, school authorities and students hint foul play in death of the Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student. Hankan Pao Taitul becomes president of Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit for second term. And mesmerizing Uya Won blooming on Uya Kachui Hill slopes in Sintra village of Kamjong district attracts many tourists year after year. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Prime Timing Thantum, bringing you the top stories. 24 hours statewide band from 6 a.m. today till 6 a.m. of July 25th, called by JAC, formed against the mysterious death of a girl student in the hostel room of Standard Robert School, has greatly affected normal life in Imphal Valley. Few private vehicles were seen plying on major roads of Imphal city, but roads in Thangmaiban constituency where the deceased student hailed from bore deserted looks. Shops were all shutters down in the constituency, with locals out on the street staging protest demonstrations demanding justice for the deceased student. Protest meets were also witnessed in other areas of Imphal city in solidarity to the JAC, demanding to solve the mystery behind the death and to nab the culprits involved. Educational institutes remained shut down and business transactions came to a standstill in Imphal city as shops in major markets like Khwairaman Market, Pauna and Thangal markets remain closed. Police personnel are being strategically deployed on major roads of Imphal city like Tadim Road, Imphal Kangchub Road, Imphal Ziri Road and Imphal Ukhrul Road to prevent any untoward incident considering the vulnerable situation. Extending solidarity to the ongoing statewide band called by JAC, formed against the mysterious death of a girl student in the hostel room of Standard Robert School, residents of Kaishampa Thauchom Laikai staged a sit-in today. Various placards were displayed during the protest meet held in the colony. Kangabam Laikai upon Manupi Marup also staged a protest demonstration demanding justice for the deceased student at Kaishampat Thauchom Laikai. Taking part in the protest, Joint Secretary of Kangabam Laikai upon Manupi Marup, Arambam Lata, condemned the government and the relevant department for remaining silent on the incident. She urged the authorities concerned to book the culprits involved in the students' death at the earliest.
Tasengna koi yam thamoi songna condemn tawi adugo loinana mihat paphaba puthokpase yamna thille haina sarkar da khoina pin tawjaninge hoji athupa matamda koina sige mari leinaba mihat pasin siga angang siga mari leinaba mioi khuding mase athupa matamda phadana matik chaba dandi piba tungda amu sigumba thabak si taroktanaba natragana standard ba se sumaina sigumba su khara tare aduna pura bu thingjen bigibana phare na koi khalle.
Band supporters also blocked Indo-Myanmar road from Singjamai Bazaar to Kanchipur, extending solidarity to the JAC today. Protest demonstrations were carried out at Bhamon Laikai, Harikagog Makong, Kaishampat Thauchom Laikai, Kaishampat Kangabam Laikai, Kakwa Mairakpam Laikai, Kakwa Pichu ground. Thangaban Mapal Mayai Laikai Women's Development Association also staged a protest demonstration demanding justice for the deceased student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School today. The protesters blocked roads and displayed various placards during the protest. Women folks of Kanchipur, Nauram Laikai also supported the JHC's 24-hour statewide band today. Band supporters blocked road chanting various slogans. Salai Apunbanupi Lamjing Lub, in a press release, also strongly condemned the suspicious death of a girl student in the school hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in Kanchipur. The association extended full support to every initiative of the JAC formed against the incident. The JAC's 24-hour ban also affected normal life in Bishnupur district today. Various Maira Paibi and student organizations blocked Tidim road passing through the district. Ban supporters blocked roads in Nambol, Bishnupur, Moirang and Kumbi. Passenger bus services remained off the road and schools remained closed today. District police personnel are maintaining a strict vigil to avoid any unwanted incidents. Kumbi Apunmanupi Lub along with MSU Bishnupur District Committee also blocked roads at Kumbi Lai Sandong and Kumbi Khugathong, extending solidarity to the JAC today. Protest demonstrations were also carried out by members of Kumbi Terakhong Maira Paibi Nupilub, along with students of New Model English School Kumbi, BK Golden Academy Kumbi, Kumbi Government High School and Kumbi College at Kumbi Terakhong Khongnang Makhong. Mairembam Laikai Youth Club College Gate along with College Gate Apunbanupi Lub Moirang also blocked Moirang to Kumbi Road and staged a sit-in. Normal life in Taubal district was also affected by the 24-hour statewide ban called by JAC against mysterious death of the girl student. Major business hubs of the district, government offices, schools and colleges remained closed. Ban supporters also blocked main roads of district. Maira Paibis of Langthabal, Mantri Khong Awang Laikai stormed at the residence of Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam in Langthabal chanting various slogans condemning the state government for remaining silent on the recent death of Standard Robert High School girl student. They retreated only after finding out that the Education Minister was not at home. The protesters earlier staged a sit-in at Langthabal, Mantri Khong Awang Laikai and took out a rally in the area. Speaking to media, a Maira Paibi member, Janam Sophia, urged the government to solve the mysterious death and not to deny education rights of remaining students of the state.
Bebisnagi misi tasing na maki yaning de mabu magi justice pa me khoi na akhoi gi mapi mapa oi biriba singsida media gi mateng lawraga aina haijari madudi haurakadoriba mahiroi mayam ma standard of school da tamjaba mahiroi mayam si school ka yadana laisi yahanbiu solution thuna puthokpiu aduga pillar of the nation oidune ba cha singse aduna pillar of the nation singsi sumaina mahai tamdana lehalagadi praja akhoi su awabani mama oibe akhoi leibangamde.
All Manipur Students' Union MSU has warned agitations until the mystery behind the suspicious death of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School is solved. MSU has also demanded police interrogation of principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Landhoni, coordinator Romita, administrator Ibotomba, head warden Lin, dormitory B warden Zimki and some suspected teachers of the school. Speaking to media at MSU office and DM College complex today, MSU President Peter Laishram appealed to all the parents of hostel students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School to take part in the meeting to be held tomorrow at the shrine of Ima Kontok Nganbi in Thangmaiban without fail. Peter also demanded unconditional release of some MSU members who were arrested by police in today's agitation.
Misia sigi achungba langla langsing amo puthoktribau emsuna lepa leitaba makhal makha kya gi khongjang chanjang gani habcha akoi media thongda thamjari loina akoi Standard Robert Higher Secondary School gi principal Oza Landhoni, coordinator Oza Romita, administrator Oza Ibotomba, head warden Oza Lin amadi dormitory B gi warden Zinki haiba makhoi manga sa masi pharaga khoi wahang toga investigate togadabni sitana tana khoi sidaming panjadaba oza kharasu leiri sichu khoi phongtok tarkhigani aduga ahamba doina hariba makhoi manga si pharaga investigate toro matungda langla langsing khara thokani apja si achepa thajabni.
Thangmaiban constituency MLA Kumukcham Joykishan has appealed to proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group to reveal the name of the student organization who interfered in the outfit's investigation into the death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Kumukcham Joykishan stated that he desired to hold talks with the student organization. Speaking to media during a press meet held at Kuyathong Pukri Achobamapal Community Hall today, MLA Joykishan clarified that he, as a people's representative, works within the jurisdiction of the Indian Constitution and that he would never support any separatist movement of any proscribed group. However, he, along with the residents of Tangmaiban, accept the condolences offered by the proscribed outfit on the suspicious death of the girl student. MLA Joykishan also urged other student organizations to help in finding out the student organization who intervened in the investigation, maintaining that people of the state do not consider the student's death as a suicide. MLA Joykishan criticized that the State Home Department has failed to act in a desired manner. The MLA also demanded public disclosure of the post-mortem report and to officially announce the hush arrest of 2 suspects.
Manipur da Shatra, Sanama Shatra Kunai, Mamalay, Punamaksu Chinaba, Poholi, Akwe Huzik, Eva, the Talk Toriba, Laila Shutam Shatra Sina, Akwe, Lady Ijati, Katoga, Tungi, Mangidra, Mairoshin Kunai, Mangidra, Toriba. Loop mayam sing marakta karigumba amot pamahik changra bhai base sing na tabangam de people's war group na lebak myangi tamuta khanbiraga mairo loop edo kanano haibedo lauthok piu maduda manipur praja puna manusu support tawgani manipur da lairiba mairo loop khuding manasu asigum mafum ase yam seriously lowiraga isa na kanano edo singdok pinaba ayang appeal tawjari maire ema sibada mairoi khunaina interest lawraga hena thijen badugi mota thijeliba kangbu dura athingba pire haibesidi lairiba film je karino haibese nungnang tabangam.
Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC, a conglomerate of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUG, has demanded the authorities concerned to solve the recent mysterious death of Standard Robert High School girl student within 3 days. Speaking to media at MSF office in Kaishampa today, JSCC convener Manjit Sarangthim disclosed that JSCC has formed a special team to probe into the incident, asserting that teachers and authorities of the school and roommates of the deceased student have given different statements regarding the incident. He alleged the school authority of trying to conceal any evidence related to the case. He also condemned the state government for remaining silent on the incident till date. He warned that JSCC will steer intense agitation if the authorities concerned fail to solve the matter within 3 days. Condemning Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR for keeping hush on the incident, Manjit Sarangte maintained that JSCC will inspect whether schools and boarding homes in the state are following the guidelines provided by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR.
School singasina mahiroi singasubu lalon put on season narakanda kunai asigi productive oiba ekogi energetic oiba ekogi youngsters sing ekogi future pillars sing asam manghan nabo hotna habasi hairoi debagi maram naite loina joint student coordination committee JCC na boarding sing the hostel sing the ekogi NCPCR National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki makada regulation sing ma ki guidelines sing standing thina chalai ri right masi youngsin nabo koi JCC ki team se makanda koi sanction bahor
Hang Kanpao Taitul has been elected as President of Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit for the term 2019 to 2022. Speaking to media at his reception at party office in New Chekon today, the newly appointed party president expressed suspicion of foul play into the mysterious death of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School and urged the authority concerned for a proper investigation. He alleged that many honest and efficient police officers in the state are being tied down for carrying out their duties. Han Kanpao Taitul urged the government to assign efficient police officers to investigate the student's death. He also called for arrest and interrogation of all the suspects to uncover the incident instead of mere negotiation tactics, which he opined will bring no solution. The JDU state president stated that former office bearers of JDU Manipur State Unit have been dissolved and new office bearers will be elected within a week. He assured that the party will work right from grassroots level to achieve 2022 vision of the party.
Satri Yamana, Karibu Mai Matamoy, Adukimatic Chakwa Levigira, police investigation, there is very much expert people within the investigating institutions. Officer Maraktayam genuinely, sincerely, committedly, dedicatedly, Tabak Donimo officer Mayam, ex MLA, ex minister, but sometimes their hands are clubbed. Adugumalera, Jeduna Chingadabangam. Me, Wambu Jing Bada, Hecta onslaught to Boyaba, attitude, mindset Java within the boarding or within the school administration or within the school nearer complex. Adu the me labra. Later, Adu Hecta invest Pagadabani. Jingaba Makai Pagadabani. Me am a Tibagi Maramda, me Tara. Kunuresu Tiga the Agadabani, Haraga Lokapta Toraga Jaba Matamda, Tokcharani, Cooperation Pirakani, Sao Roy, Adu Achumadi Pangani.
Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Manipur, in a press release, condoled the demise of its girl student on July 18th. Principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, assured of extending all possible assistance in finding out the truth behind the girl student's death. Uya Kachui Hills of Singcha village in Kamtong district, where the mesmerizing Uya One blooms have now become a much favored tourist destination. Impact News brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Tourists are being pulled to the once hidden beauty of Uyawan flower, which blooms for a short period of time every year on Uyakachui Hills of Singcha village in Kamjong district, which is inhabited by Tangkhul community, some 91 kilometers away from Imphal city. The unique and rare Uyawan blooms just for around 2 weeks, starting mid-July, to melt your heart away. Though found in other areas of Kamjong district, Uyawan blooms abundantly in full glory only on Uyakachui Hill slope. Popularity of the flower rose with the news coverage by Impact News on July 19, 2015. Uyakachui Hill Slope is becoming a favorite holiday destination not only for the local tourists but even for many tourists coming from outside the state. As many as 200 people per day visit Uyakachui Hill Slope to witness the blooming Uyawan year after year. Unfortunately, the visiting tourists are polluting the breathtakingly beautiful lush green mountain with their reckless behavior. Used plastic products and other items are being strewn by some careless tourists. It would be prudent for the state tourism department to upgrade the tourist spot by setting up a guest house and a toilet complex for the visitors. Such measures will undoubtedly boost the income of the poor villagers. Uyawan has great potential to bring fame for Manipur, much like the ethereal endemic Shiri lily, which has already popularized Manipur to the rest of the world. Joyce Rusham for Bureau Report, Impact News.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on JCILPS taking disciplinary action against a non-Manipuri miscreant who hurled abusive words to JCILPS and people of Manipur. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. JCILPS has taken disciplinary actions against a non-Manipuri who has hurled abuses to JCILPS and people of the state over the phone. The miscreant is identified as 26-year-old Sanjoy alias Bahadur Thakur, son of Kailash Thakur from Purvi Pakari village, Ward number 14 East Champaran district of Bihar. He is currently staying with his family at a rented room of 1 R.K. Sanatombi in Terasapam, Ladakh. JCILPS has also barred the miscreant from undertaking any business activity in the state upon discovering that he possesses no proper identification documents. Speaking to media at JCILPS office, Tidim wrote today, JCILPS convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar asserted that JCILPS has been tracking him for quite some time. He maintained that Sanjoy alias Bahadur Thakur along with his wife and kids have been residing in the state for over 19 years without any proper identification documents. Taking part in the press meet, Sanjoy alias Bahadur Thakur confessed to his misdeed. He stated that someone pretended as JCILPS member and abused him on the phone, to which he retaliated by hurling abuses to JCILPS and people of Manipur while in an intoxicated state of mind. Sanjoy said sorry for his mistakes.
Manipur level matik sadi hena khanjaraga ma se dukan da we aro hena thing bijari bes aduga mangonda JCILPS haraga da tawreiba number se 8787676353 hairiba mobile number sidagi mangonda tawrokpani hai masi kanano JCILPS ki mingda sumaina nam thak tawsi kanano na thibada ngasi bhawi onadi phangdri hairiba number se koina cyber crime unit da sinajaragani number si kanana paibano karai dagi lakpano haibaduma asengba khangdokna ba yamna kana honari
बोलता है तुम हिंदी भी मालूम नहीं है, मणिपुरी भी मालूम नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास आधार कार्ड नहीं है, वोटर कार्ड नहीं है। तो हम भैया के पास ने मैसेज वो रखा था, वो डाल दिया, बोला। उसके बाद थोड़ा दारू पी लिया, दारू पीने के बाद थोड़ा हमको उल्टा हो गया। सब मणिपुर का परजल हो, हमको माफ़ी दीजिए।
Upon Basinmi Lub Awang Maikai Kanglatombi has warrant of indefinite ban along National Highway number 2, Sekmai Road, starting July 25th if the High Court of Manipur failed to revoke its ban on sand mining and quarrying activities at river banks in Manipur. The association strongly condemned the order of the division bench of the High Court consisting of Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar and Justice K.H. Noben. Protesters took the decision during a meeting held at Awang Sekmai Kongjing Leima Thangalaikai Community Hall organized by Apun Basinmi Lup Awang Maikai Kanglatombi today. Workers, truck owners of stone crushers and truck drivers involved in sand quarrying activities at Sekmai attended the meet. Speaking to media, President of Apun Basinmi Lup Awang Maikai Kanglatombi Oinam Yumsangbi condemned that the High Court's order has snatched away livelihood of sand miners at Sekmai River.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯅꯤ ꯇꯔꯨꯛꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯥꯎ ꯊꯥꯗꯠꯄꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯆꯍꯤ 60 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯛꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯗꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯊꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯥꯎ ꯊꯥꯗꯠꯄꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒꯦꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 25ꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯅꯣꯡꯌꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯛꯇꯅ नेशनल हाईवे से अखोना बंद तौजरनी मसीदा अफाफत खुदिमक से सरकार गा हाई कोर्ट कना अफाफत खुदिमक नोगी दायित्व ओइबियो.
Social worker Elangbam Samuel Johnson drew attention of the authority concerned to various developmental legs of Keshamthong Assembly constituency and lambasted the local MLA for his inefficiency. Speaking to media at his residence in Keshamthong Elangbam Laikai today, Johnson maintained that Keshamthong constituency, though a part of Imphal city, has many inadequacies. He stated that roads, bridges and drainage system in the constituency are in pathetic condition, needing immediate attention of the government. The social worker expressed disappointment that whatever welfare works initiated in the constituency in haphazard manner bore no good result. He also asked why the exact number of NFSA card holders in the constituency is kept hidden from the public eye till date. Elangbam Johnson criticized that the local MLA has failed to take any proper measures to uplift the constituency, but keeps politicizing every issue just to build a favorable image on media.
pangtꯧdo tawbusidi koi kendra sigi praja mayam si tasengna maduda yam nungai ta haibidu oire waisel marilna koi nong tarko matamda natra ising chau matamda JCB ma porakanda madu media mamangda abdu ko la kanda so casing tawraga laibuduna matamdu gi lamda nakan nage ta tariba praja singduna madu pelam gadra pelam oidra haibese amtang khanbiyu maduga wadu tindu yothabiraga ngangbiragadi hena phagani.
Irabot Foundation Manipur, in a press release, urged authorities concerned to initiate steps for cultivation of spices and other vegetables in paddy fields, as rice cultivation is impossible in the wake of scanty rainfall. Villagers have initiated works to convert Kangaching of Tello in Lamlai constituency into an ecotourism park. Kangaching Park Construction Committee urged authorities concerned to extend help for the project, which will boost the income of the local residents. 3 saplings were planted in and around Kangaching by the volunteers of Tello Village, Tello Eastern United Sporting Club, Tello Joint Cooperative Society Construction Committee and social worker Mongjam Poire Hanba today. Speaking to media, member of Construction Committee Laishram Joy stated that Kangaching Park Construction Committee started works to convert Kangaching, which was once the playground of Tello Village, into an ecotourism park since it was resolved by representatives of various organizations and Maira Paibis in Tello Village last year. He expressed that people of Tello will remain forever grateful if the road leading to the park is repaired by the authority concerned. Speaking to media, social worker Longjam Poire Hanba stated that conversion of Kangaching into an eco park will boost income of the Tello residents. He urged authorities concerned to look into the matter and extend necessary assistance.
Khungang asigi akhoi masagi senthok lambi leitaba adugumba khungang amani seisida akhoi mafam asi semkhatlaba matungda akhoi gi mafam mistagi karigumba senthok khara lahanba yaragadi khungang asigi awaba amadi khogis hiram kayada mateng pangba ngamnabagi damakta akhoi mafam asi semkhatjaba hobuni mafam asi semkhatpa matamda Manipur government side tagi mai leinaba department singdasu mateng pangbiu madi miyeng changsanbiu
lainga ki side tagi koi gi lambi thonggi phibamsi huji akhoina semi basi matik chade adoi akhoi sen thumgi financial assistance mayam ma wat pasina aikoina tawge khanba thabak mayam ma tawbu ngamdri asigumba financial assistance kara government na pibiraba aduga akhoi lambi thonggi phibamasi phagadin biraba adoi tardi akhoi masi khare henu khudung kano chawkhona semba ngamgani habigi thajaba akhoi da leise.
Tello Village Development Committee has urged authorities concerned to complete the construction of Tello water supply project, which remained defunct for the last 20 years, or else want of taking back their land which was donated for the project. Journalists along with members of Tello Village Development inspected Tello water supply project today. Speaking on the sidelines, Finance Secretary of Development Committee Moirang Thagoi stated that villagers of Tello gave up 1 acre of paddy field for the project to get safe drinking water. He expressed disappointment that apart from 1 pond and a water tank, no further works were taken since the last 2 decades. The secretary stated that villagers want their land back if the water supply scheme is not going to be functional again.
Water supply in a Tello Yogana pipe thing Birame Kula Roibasibo. Adu ising Tarakumatam da Kulin Machinda, ising Kabangam Draba. Koshiam, wab problem like with the society over low Parimase, water supply department. Kuna katu ebago nama wantokre pokhi tawro matung sidang tawro matung sida sahi amani la rakanda pamse ne namu sabala aduga sida tenki selame tenki su loina phelo ekre moina season nadramina ko adugi makata na huji phausi karim te yengsan bidraba pamju pide adu koin huji pamajina mari leina ba authority singda koina haijaningina atuba matamda gi koidagi isingi awabachi ko on biragadi koini yamna nungai jagani aduga madu ko on bidragadi akoina kathoki balamje ko hanjan ba haiba posi koigi janem body meeting da hataki sida koi pass to ba na.
Manipur observed Income Tax Day with the rest of the nation at Income Tax Complex in Lamphel Park today. Additional Commissioner of Income Tax Range Imphal organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Office Imphal Circle, Moirang Them Joy Chandra, urged to individuals who earned over 2,50,000 rupees per annum to file income tax returns. He stated that observance aimed to create awareness on income tax as well as to facilitate dedicated and efficient staffs of the Income Tax Department. Various tree saplings were planted inside Income Tax Complex on the occasion. Resource persons stressed on income tax during the event.
income tax ai se karino habisi miyam da khangan basine khwai maru oibadi income tax si return si file tawba si akhoi kari dang ta darkar leribno khoi taxable income leragadi income tax asi return file si tawbi gadabani adu masi kanna ba harak taragadi hajikti income tax si return asi puding mukta sang hai tare bank te loan lobo khangde adegi khoi gi ban passport lobo da bauda akhoi gi abak kaya ma da sangi adum hangdana leibani aduna masi isa gi su kanna ba pod amani aduga tax si bai si khoi gi nation building da su khoi saruk yari bani income tax office la lakbiu khangda ba khotba yaur ga su ngasi degi hauraga numit humni marini hai tare 27 July phawga pangthok sak dawrib sida any akhoi gi problem leibising da lakbiu office da lakbiu.
Gaurahari Singh Memorial Trust observed the 111th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bodh Chandra at Lamyan Basanglan in Palace Compound today. Titular King Lesem Basana Jauba Egya Ibema Rani Ghadir, Machai Bungo M.K. Sarachandra and Machai Ibema M.K. Hema Manjuri attended the event. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of Maharaja Bodh Chandra and revered Maharaja Bodh Chandra on the occasion. Another Vision Center was opened at Senapati Bazaar today following the one opened at Churachandpur district yesterday. DC Senapati, Somojit Salam, Managing Director of CJ Hospitals, Dr. Kate Pallin, and President of Naga People's Organization A. Solomon graced the inaugural event of the center organized by Mission for Vision in association with CJ Eye Care Foundation. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Kate Pallin asserted that Eye Vision Center was open to ease applies facing hilly residents in getting their eye treated. He stated that Vision Centers equipped with the best equipments and technology will also be open in other districts of the state in the near future.
District I Mission for Vision support our sponsor Rapidly bang na hai wa business center si sinabiyo doina na nomit ki wa ta bang ni tokyo atu si yang ba kam ta si pena base da choida pena lahana ga yang na wi ki da ba jari doina na si matung da pena ma ni chakon ku matung na ko telemedicine mateng na sida mixi ye mo ta directly live oina ko hospital da ophthalmologist amana ku phangani
113 Battalion of BSF under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF Koireng Gai organized 5-kilometer run for martyrs at Wangching and Hairok today in honor of the martyrs of Kargil War who made their supreme sacrifice in defense of the nation and to spread awareness as well as to instill the spirit of patriotism and national pride among the students and youth. Commandant of 113 Battalion BSF, Hidam Subol Singh flag off the rally from Hairok High School and also participated in the run along with 58 students and youth from Hairok and Wangching besides the troops of BSF from CI Post, Hairok and Wangching. Manoj Kumar, second in command, Dharmendra Kumar, AC and Bhagat Singh, Assistant Commandant, also participated in the run. Medals and certificates were distributed to all the participants. Help and Development Organization HADO in a press release notified that 9th Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior Open State Level Kid Kunedo Championship 2019 will be held from August 2nd to 4th. Members of Jit Kunedo Association may get application forms to participate in the championship from HADO office. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 24-hour statewide ban called by JEC against mysterious death of a girl student in hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School hits normal life in Imphal Valley. All Manipur Students' Union warns of unceasing agitations until Standard Robert Higher Secondary School students' death mystery is solved. Joint Students Coordination Committee says varied statements by teachers, school authorities and students hint foul play in death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student. Hankan Pao Taitul becomes President of Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit for second term. And mesmerizing Wuya Won blooming on Wuya Kachui Hill slopes in Sincha village of Kamtung district attracts many tourists year after year.